Yep, that's right. Plants are way better at capturing energy than the most advanced solar panels we've got. While our human-made systems are impressive, they still can't quite match the efficiency of nature's own blueprint. And they do this by this amazing process called photosynthesis. Welcome back to our channel, Ingenious Nature. Please like and subscribe for exciting content on biomimicry. Photosynthesis is this mind-blowing process where plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight into energy. They take in carbon dioxide and water, and, with a little help from sunlight, transform it into glucose and oxygen. This isn't just science class stuff, it's the backbone of life on Earth. Without this process, we wouldn't have the oxygen we breathe or the food we eat. It is a very, very big deal. Okay, so energy consumption is a challenge that we are all facing. Just to get an idea, the global annual energy demand increased by 36,000 terawatt-hour in 150 years between 1800 and 1950. And then, in the next 73 years, between 1950 and 2023, it increased by a massive 135,000 terawatt-hour. With this ravenous rate of increase in energy demands, and with traditional sources like fossil fuels running low and causing all sorts of environmental problems, we desperately need sustainable energy solutions. And fast. As we look for alternatives, nature comes in with her solution: photosynthesis. If we could just learn from photosynthesis, we might just find a way to power our lives without wrecking the planet. All right. Let's break down how photosynthesis works. It all starts in the chloroplasts of plant cells, where chlorophyll, the green pigment, captures sunlight. This energy kicks off a series of chemical reactions. First, water is split into oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen gets released into the atmosphere, great for us. And the hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide to form glucose, a simple sugar that plants use for energy. This whole process is incredibly efficient, with some plants converting up to 90% of the sunlight they capture into usable energy. All that now remains is for us to mimic this process in our energy systems, applying these principles to solar panels or biofuels. It could be the game changer. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more on biomimicry. It was back in 1912 that Italian chemist Giacomo Ciamician proposed a switch from the use of fossil fuels to energy provided by the sun by technical photochemistry devices, artificial photosynthesis. Later in 1960, Akira Fujishima discovered the photocatalytic properties of titanium dioxide, which could be used for breaking down water molecules. But it's since the 1990s that there has been major research and development in catalysts, which is essential in the process of breaking down water. And with advances in catalysts, several governments and companies invested in research in photosynthesis. The Swedish Consortium for Artificial Photosynthesis, the first of its kind established by 3 universities, was established during 1994. Later, in 2010, the United States Department of Energy established the Joint Center for Artificial Photosynthesis. Currently, several major companies who are actively researching for the commercialization of artificial photosynthesis, including Panasonic Corporation, ENGIE, Toshiba Corporation, Siemens Energy, and Mitsubishi Chemical Corporation, to name a few. And the market size for artificial photosynthesis, which now is $80 million in 2024, is expected to reach $190 million by 2030. It's revolutionary, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. And the products from artificial photosynthesis? This process has the potential to produce more than one type of fuel: hydrogen, which can be used for fuel cells in the future, and methanol. But the thing is that we are not quite there yet. Yes, it works in labs, but it's not yet ready for mass marketing. Copying nature is not that easy. Efficiency is the other hurdle. Plant took billions of years to perfect the process, and we are still in the trial and error stage. Catalysts is the other challenge. Manganese is not sunlight after all. Stability is also an issue in artificial photosynthesis system. Recent advances are addressing these issues, but the technique is still very much with our lab specialists. We'd love to hear what you think. How do you feel about using nature's blueprints for our energy solutions? Please like and subscribe to our channel for more on biomimicry, and do drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in our next video.